If you truly want to change the world, you have to speak a language that everybody understands. Everybody understands T-shirts. The manufacturing process for apparel generates a tremendous amount of waste. You just have a lot of unused pieces of fabric, and many times that's just thrown away. I mean, it's perfectly good cotton. It's as good as the same fabric that is used in the T-shirt. You know, we're thinking about it all wrong. We can change the way that we think about an industry. We can change the way that we approach our waste streams. We can change the way that we approach our raw material inputs. You know, we've operated under a set of assumptions for a really long time, and I think now's the time that we can challenge those assumptions in a real tangible way. So on the Responsibili-Tee, we're actually gathering those up, sorting them by color, using a process that tears them down and reforms them back into a fiber, knit into a fabric, and then sewn into a garment. So because you don't have to grow a crop, you don't have to use any of the water that's associated with that. Additionally, we have the ability to forego the dyeing process, using a process that's blending scraps and it's blending different colors.
And then when you add all those up at the end, the combination of the recycled cotton and the recycled polyester reduces the water impact by 96%. And the fact that recycled cotton doesn't require growth, land use, synthetic fertilizers, which reduces the carbon impact of that shirt by 45%, which is super rad.
Every Responsibili-Tee that we make is cut, sewn, and printed at a factory that's fair trade certified. This premium we have at the scale that we're doing production within has a dramatic impact on every single employee in that facility. I think that was the most compelling realization I had when getting into this project, was that the T-shirts are saving 63 gallons of water a piece. When you look at the volume that we do, we're getting into the millions of gallons of water. That's where you really start to see the overall impact on the environment and how meaningful this small decision to change the inputs of our T-shirt can have on the global footprint that we have as a brand and a product.